And there's more tips, opinion, advice on the link in the description from other people that have used this product and other people's reviews of how they got on with it. I think it was £20 or £15, can't remember. There was a deal on as well where you could buy 2 or 3 bottles for the price of, like 3 for the price of 2. So check out if that deal's still on. But for 1 room or 2 walls, I wanted to put it on quite thick because this room has got cold over the winter. So you know, I did more than I did quite a couple of layers of this on the walls. I mean, I might even do another layer with what's left over. We'll see when the winter comes. Yeah, so there's the review and the bottle, and thanks for your time.